chatted recently with a disc jock turned cybersecurity consultant. Rush also with lots to say about trap riddims.
Get the loot, get the gold, get the money, go, get the money, go.
Are the trap riddims working outside of Jamaica?
Absolutely not.
Happy no dog, don't stem no cappy no dog.
For example, if I throw what and said the trap thing now work, all of a sudden me I fight the youth them. But the funniest thing is, me bust from the 90s as a selector. So I guess we never realized that me did fight the youth them when the music switched from the 90s to the late 90s, 2000, when it got to from Showtime and Pepper Seed to Bookshelf Buyout Diwali. Me never remember to fight the youth them when it got to Good to Go and Coolie Dance and Speed Up and Start Dance. Me totally forget to fight the youth them when it go Gully Gaza and Stephen them. And when it go Russian and Chimney them, me must never remember say me bad mind yet. It's only now, way 20 years later, when all of the people that have lived through generation after generation and said, listen, this is not working. And I travel where enough of them don't travel to. So I am seeing it with my two eyeball them. You go certain places, you have Vegas, you have Popcorn, you have RDX, Sean Paul and Vibes Cartel. Those are the consistent threads. Anywhere we go in Central America, South America, Europe, them man they play. And then everything else dead.
But that's the older generation. How come they're still in play to that extent?
Exactly. We birthed Afrobeat. We birthed reggaeton. Reggaeton is one rhythm. When I go to Latin America, when I go Costa Rica, Nicaragua, Panama, and stand up, one rhythm I play the whole night is a dancehall rhythm. And every artist can play rich. Me attack estate rich off of one boring rhythm. Poof, clap, poof. Him just buy Lamborghini estate. And every 2 years in Jamaica, we come with this new creative thing, cause we have to change the game, and we suffer. It don't make no sense. The youth them out there still love authentic dancehall, and that's a fact.
Is that essentially why you've left the music business, kind of, and you're in what, cybersecurity?
That's part of the reason, because I'm looking towards the future, and the trajectory of the business is going this way, down. Now I, just like you, Anthony, we are down the line of the machinery. The machinery is led by the driver. The driver is the producer and the artist. Me a Lexus tire salesman. Me can't sell tire if Lexus not sell. So I benefit when the industry is shooting, and it's not shooting.